In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Mac. You can do this on a MacBook, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, or iMac, since they all have built-in Bluetooth. First, click on the Control Center icon up in your menu bar. If Bluetooth is currently turned off, go ahead and toggle it on. Then, click the little arrow next to it and select Bluetooth Settings. The System Settings window will pop up, taking you right to the Bluetooth preferences. Just wait a moment here while your Mac searches for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once it finds them, they'll show up under Nearby Devices. Keep in mind, for some Bluetooth speakers, you might need to press a dedicated pairing button on the speaker itself to put it into pairing mode. That's when your Mac will actually be able to discover it. After your speaker appears in the Nearby Devices list, just click the Connect button. The device will then move up to the My Devices section. Now, if you want to change the sound output for your Mac, click the Control Center icon again. Look for the Sound section, click the little arrow, and choose your audio output. For example, if your audio is currently playing through your Mac Mini's internal speakers, you can switch it right here to the Bluetooth speaker you just connected, like this Aura Studio 5. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.